Hello and welcome to That Canon Guy's Reviews. Today I'm going to give you a flash as well as studio setup and overview of the Sony NEX 5N. What are your options for that certain work? I have a few accessories here today. I have the little standard flash that's included with it. Great, I have a Weifeng or Weifeng, W-E-I-F-E-N-G flash adapter. Goes to the proprietary port and pops out with your little hot shoe. I have a set of Weifeng, I believe, WT-04 wireless flash transmitters. I have a few manual flashes. I have a Vivitar Autobounce 40D dedicated, and this is the exact same thing. It's just a different name, Vivitar Auto Thywistor 2800D. Both are bounced, both exactly the same thing, just different names. Then I also have Olympus Electronic Flash FL40, which is totally electronic, pretty nice. I also have a DC coupler, which I use in our studio, which works pretty well. So let's dive right into it. First of all, we'll need, let's just show you this thing. And one nice thing about all these flashes, they all bounce, and the Olympus one tilts. This original little flash here, it just stands up. It's pretty flimsy, but just stands up there, and you can tighten it, obviously, but just stands up and flash your subject straight on. I like bounce flash, not this little flimsy flash, so that's out. So then I found this little adapter here, which I scratched the Weifeng off the front. You can't even tell it was there ever, but it was. That's what I used to say. I don't like brand names on the front of my little accessories. It just makes my camera look weird. So anyway, it's tightened in by this little thumb screw on the top, and it's very sturdily in there. Pick that up there. Shake it. And I also have a Pentax 110 24mm f2.8 lens on there, if you're wondering. Then first, let's just show you the wireless flash receiver and transmitter here. And these are pretty sturdy on there, but you just stick this on here. And this whole set here, this is my minimal studio setup, and it is very lightweight, obviously. Pretty much the camera weight plus maybe 3 ounces. Very light. For a studio flash setup, you won't be able to find much lighter than this. And let's see here if I can get this. Be right back here. To get this little flash untightened. I had it tightened. Okay. So that just slides on the hot shoe like that. And tighten it down. And if you stick, let's just say this, kind of with the 2800D or the 4D, they're both the exact same thing as the 2800D. But anyway, turn it this way to lock it. If you turn that on, it's charging up. And I'll just, let's see here, flash stand right around here. Okay, yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to find it here, but if I had a flash stand here, let's just say that's standing there. Put it right there. Let's see. Yep, have that right there. You can bounce it up and set your camera all up to the settings there, which right now we need to set this to ISO 200 Auto 1 mode. That's in the frame there. And then it says, now we have to put it up to, and this, unfortunately, they advertise 1/250th of a second as their minimal, however, their flash sync speed, but I found you can get up to 1/160th of a second. Most of the time I stick to 1/100th of a second, otherwise sometimes it just won't work. And there you go, that just went off, so that's how it works. And when you click it, it goes off too, so it's not just... And this flash seems to be out of battery, so switch that out here. The other 40D. It's charging very slowly, but I know this 40D here has fresh batteries in it. Okay, so let's say I switch that out with that. I have the exact same settings on this one. That one charges up. And then if I pop that one, and one thing I've noticed with this certain flash adapter, you have to press it. Press the button on top every time, then it'll go. Then you have to press it again, then it'll go. Or if it's charged up, it'll go. I got to press it, and then it'll go. Press it, and then when it's charged up again, it'll go. And then see if I... Okay, so it's charged up now, and then if I go, it doesn't go. And then second try, it will go. So you need to press it and then go. So it's a little bit cumbersome, but that's how it works. And to set your settings up on the camera for flashes like this, with the manual and everything, you have to have your camera in manual mode. And then on the back of flashes like this, just turn that off. All you have to do is set your ISO, which this one goes from 100 or 64 all the way up to 1000, and then it'll give you a auto f-stop, which you have to put that f-stop into your camera. You can set it to two modes. This one's faster, this one's slow. This one's a faster f-stop, A1, and A2 is a slower f-stop, and then manual is full power, which you probably don't want to use. And then there's Olympus flash. Yeah, I do have batteries in there. Okay, good. If you have it in auto mode, you set your ISO and you set your aperture, and that assumes you'll be at 1/160th or whatever of a shutter speed, and it automatically goes according to your camera. So I'd suggest this one, even though it's a lot more expensive. These ones just for ease of use, and also because this one can bounce and swivel, which is useful. These ones can just bounce. This one also has a zoom function. If we'll zoom and that. So basically, that's how you set up your settings. Like I said, on this I have to have 100th of a second with this Wii adapter. If you have like a Pocket Wizard or some more expensive one, this one is $16. It's going to be a lot faster sync speed and other stuff like that. And let's see here. Let's take this off here. And of course, if you stick on this little flash here, which really it won't do a lot to your image, it's just like a point shoot flash, plus it'll really not look that great compared to these other ones here that you can bounce. This one just looks okay, it's just not that great. So, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please hit the subscribe button above, as well as the like button below, and also leave a comment if you want reviews of lenses and old flashes, anything vintage. If we have it in stock, we can review it for you. Again, thanks for watching.